Thanks for joining us tonight. You still can't sell it, but in the city of Madison, it is now legal to smoke marijuana or have a certain amount with you. This comes after a common council decision late last night.
Madeline O'Neill heard from the Madison Police Department, UW-Madison Police, and the city attorney's office with what to expect.
Marijuana may become a more common sight and smell in Madison.
It's been decriminalized even further.
New ordinances take the penalty for a cannabis citation down from $50 to $1. And if you're 18 or older, now you won't get a citation if you have 28 grams or less. And now you're allowed to smoke it in public wherever tobacco is allowed.
So it's not like you can smoke marijuana in a restaurant or in a bar, but you could walking down the street now.
Interim Madison Police Chief Vic Wall is expressing a few concerns, saying his preference would be for marijuana law changes to happen at the state level for consistency. And he wishes the change would apply to those 21 and older. In a statement, Wall writes that in times when officers interact with people with small amounts of marijuana, citations can, quote, be an important tool for officers who are trying to address other problem behaviors where no other options are present. On the UW-Madison campus, the University Police Department writes in a statement that, quote, it is important to note that this action does not apply to campus as state lands are not governed by local ordinances, adding that their enforcement surrounding marijuana is most often civil forfeiture citations.
While it is decriminalized, it still is considered a controlled substance, and individuals need to take that into account.
Something else to take into account, it's still illegal to drive under the influence.
If you are going to consume marijuana, please do so safely.
In Madison, Madeline O'Neill, News 3 Now.
Now, according to police, the Dane County District Attorney's Office has a general policy not to charge simple possession of marijuana in cases with small amounts, typically less than 28 grams, but will charge in unusual circumstances or if it's part of another criminal act. In Madison, heavier penalties still apply for those charged with intent to deliver cannabis.